I'm Richard Russum with AAA State of Play. We're out here at this playground, just getting you guys some tips to get your playground ready for the summer. Make sure you check your play area for any loose limbs, check it for any litter laying around. Also make sure you look at your trees. You want to look for any loose branches that might fall. Another thing you might want to check is your borders. Just make sure there's no cracks in them, make sure they're not coming up, just make sure they're really in place and they're in good condition. Another thing you might want to check for is just some standing water. You might want to look around for any human or animal litter. And then also might want to pick up all your trash. So look at this playground. It looks great after the winter, but look at all the broken glass on the ground. No matter how much you try, you have to protect you and your kids from reckless people. Another thing to look for maybe is you want to look for vandalism, look for marker, paint, scratches. Another common one is kids using skateboards on the slides. One more thing to look for is after the winter, you just want to inspect your plastics. You just want to look for the seams, you want to look for any cracking or separation. Sometimes it can be a harsh winter. Your swings, you want to check for any of the any loose bolts, any loose, check chains. Make sure there's no excessive amounts of rust. Now we come over to the slides. You just want to check the end, make sure there's no pitting, that's not dug out. Another thing to help out with that would be just the rubber mat. When looking at mulch, especially here underneath the swings, you just want to, you get these little holes like this every now and then, just want to rake them out, just want to kind of fluff it up so it looks nice and smooth. If you have any other surfacing, like poured in place, you want to look for cracks or if it's separating at all. If you have any tiles, you just want to make sure your tiles are in place and they're not coming up. If you find anything, you want to get it fixed sooner rather than later. If you have any questions, reach out to us at AAA State of Play. We just want you and your kids to be safe and sound and have fun.